everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily fix the OTR2 crashing or freezing issue. If your OTR2 or Off the Road 2 game keeps crashing, freezing, or becoming unresponsive, then you can easily fix the issue. First of all, launch open the OTR2 game on your device and make sure that you are inside the gameplay. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner, and in the expanded menu, click on Options from the top. Inside Options, select GFX Detail and set it to low. For resolution, select Ultra Performance, set your FPS limit to 30, and once you do that, you can get back to the game and see if it makes a difference. If that does not work, then go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your Android or iOS device. In the search bar, type in OTR2 and search. Once you find the OTR2 game, click on it and look if there is an update button available. If you see update button, tap on it, and this will update the latest version of the game, which often includes bug fixes and performance improvements. You can also set auto update for the app. Tap the three dots at the top right corner from the same page and make sure you have checked this enable auto update button. Once you do that, whenever a new update comes, your game will automatically update on your device. Now, the next thing you want to make sure is that you have a stable internet connection. Some game features require a stable internet connection, so make sure you have one so that the game can perform well. If your device has too many apps at once running on your device, then this can also reduce available memory. Close any unused background running apps and then make sure that the OTR2 is the only game that is running on your device at the moment. So after you make sure of these, you will be able to fix your freezing or crashing issue on OTR2. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.